What's going on again, folks? My next knife review will be on the Protech TR-3. So this one I got it at Bladehq 4 years ago. So I decided to do another review on this. And yes, still have it here. Alright, so here's my my next review on the Protech TR-3 that I got 4 years ago. Still in good shape. So this will be my second review on this from my previous video. So thanks for the good views on my other one. So I decided to bring this out again. So here's the Protech TR-3. Yeah, just opens like this, just your average auto knife. And there you go. And this will be my grail knife. So with this one, I decided to just take it to the next level. So I spent about over 160 on this. That's how much I went. I don't like spending that much, so this one I decided to go a lot higher. Alright, so the one I have here is the B-Blast finish. You can get them in different styles, and it's got a hard opening. This is a super high quality knife. Yeah, so 4 years later, still have it here. So thanks for the good views on my previous video. So I decided to just bring this out and show it again one last time. So yes, this will be my grail knife. So yes, I decided to take it to the next level with this one. Around 160, that's how much I spent. I don't like spending that much, and you all know these are very expensive. These can go up to 500 to $1,000, but I'm not spending that much. Yeah, that for me that's just a waste of money. So the cheapest will be like like 160 to $100. Yeah, so keep in mind these guys aren't cheap. They're super expensive if you're planning on getting one. And another great EDC and utility knife. There you go. Alright, so I'll come up here as always. So the Protech TR-3. And yep, you all know it's made in USA. It says right there, Protech USA. And right there it says 154 cm. That's the blade steel. Yeah, opens hard. Yeah, so here it is. 4 years later, I got this back in 2020. And yeah, this is a very super high quality knife. Again, they're very expensive if you're planning on getting one. So 160. That's how much. That's the maximum I spent. I don't like spending that much. So these guys can go up to over $1,000, but I'm not spending that kind of money. Alright, so the usual, yes, I highly recommend it for if you want to go much higher. So again, these guys aren't cheap. They're super expensive. So again, $5,000 to $1,000, but who would pay that much? Yeah, to me that's just a waste of money. So I stick with the around like 150 to $100. This will be my my first Protech. I do have the Godson. So I decided to review this one last time. So yeah, this will be my second review on this. Thanks for the good views on my previous video. Yes, this will be my my grail knife. Yeah, this will be my first Protech. So if you wanna get this, yeah, go for it. Yeah, you can get this at Bladehq anytime, anywhere. Just make sure you got the money for it. Yeah, still opens good after owning this for 4 years. And there you go. Alright, so I'll keep this video short. I think I've covered everything. Yeah, let's open it a few more times. And I think that's it. I covered everything and said all I can. Alright, so I gave you a good review on the Protech TR-3 that I got on Bladehq 4 years ago. And this will be my my grail knife. And again, these guys are expensive, so make sure you got the money for it. So I hope you liked the video review, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.